everyone, you are welcome on our YouTube channel JapanesePhones.com.ua, the world of the Japanese phones and smartphones. Today we have the flip phone directly from Japan. It's called SOFTBANK SHARP 601 SH Aquos 2 Android flip phone, and it also in gold color, in small box as you see. And this is our device here. Let's start from the beginning. Yes, it has size, height 113, wide 51, and the thickness is 16.7 millimeters. The weight of device is nearly 132 grams. The specification: it has quad-core 1.1 GHz, Qualcomm Snapdragon 210, MSM 8909, Adreno 304, memory. The internal storage is nearly 8 GB, and it also has 1 GB RAM. It easily operates and navigates in 2G, 3G and 4G networks. So this is unlocked devices, and it works in these networks and also internet works. It also has microSD memory cards slot and supporting up to 32 GB. The battery size is quite big, 1800 mAh. The main display is 3.4 inch QHD screen, and also it has sub display for time or incoming calls, 1 inch OLED screen. Of course, it has micro USB standard port, and it supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and GPS. It's the main specifications. And now we'll say about the pluses of this phone. It has the auto flip button, so just push it and the phone is opening. It's a really cool thing. Also, you can easily navigate here, use different things, Japanese like quick start key. It has 3 quick start keys buttons, so you can change them. Also, you can download and install different launchers. Here in home applications, yes, we installed one of them for easy navigation. Of course, you can install different applications like contacts, also it has touch cruiser, very important thing, because it's not touch screen display, but it has touch screen cruiser. To use it, it's very simple, it easily operates. Also, it based on Android version 5.1 OS, and the phone had the MIL-STD-810G military grade shockproofing and waterproofing and dustproofing. So it's very cool. As I said, it has the battery 1800 mAh, so it can easily It's quite large size battery for flip phones, and it has improved battery life and sharp slow power consumption technology, and the phone can easily go for many days without needing for recharge. The phone also has 8.0 megapixel camera for shooting and for HD video recording. It also has English language and Japanese language, and that's all. Also, I'd like to show you that the battery was made in Japan of this phone. Yes, you see that. And also here we have, you can see Sharp Japan, but the device was made in China. It's nano SIM card slots and micro SD card slot. Okay, thank you for your attention. Bye.